Imagine an island where the earth beneath your feet powers your journey. Dominica is daring to dream differently, replacing fragile roads with clean electric flights powered by geothermal energy. This bold vision could make Dominica the world's first climate-resilient nation, inspiring others to reimagine what's possible. The stakes for Dominica could not be higher. This is a gamble on the future, a bet that bold innovation can overcome generations of challenges. The vision: a resilient, connected Dominica, where travel is swift, safe, and powered by renewable energy. Imagine flying quietly to neighboring islands, revolutionizing travel and trade for all. This is Dominica's bold leap, building a cleaner, more resilient future in the clouds. At the heart of Dominica's plan lies geothermal energy, heat from deep within the earth. This ancient force is hotter than the surface of the sun and radiates outwards, warming rocks and water below. Now Dominica is unlocking this hidden power, turning natural heat into clean, reliable electricity. Geothermal plants run day and night, providing steady power, even through storms. Dominica's volcanic landscape isn't just beautiful, it's a source of power. 9 active volcanoes bring the Earth's heat close to the surface, creating vast geothermal reservoirs beneath lush rainforests. Now, Dominica is harnessing this energy, turning a potential threat into a blessing, powering homes, fueling innovation, and building a sustainable future for generations. Tapping into Dominica's geothermal energy is a major engineering feat. It starts with scientists exploring volcanic landscapes, drilling deep into the earth to reach trapped steam, and building power plants to turn that energy into electricity. Skilled local engineers and technicians keep the plant running, creating jobs and powering the island with clean, renewable energy. Dominica's new transportation vision is a smart, decentralized network of small aerodromes, efficient air hubs connecting communities across the island. Strategically placed, these hubs ensure no community is left isolated, supporting rapid, reliable access for everyone. Built sustainably, powered by geothermal energy, and designed for frequent, on-demand flights, this network will transform daily life in Dominica. Powering this innovative network requires a new generation of aircraft. Dominica plans to use a fleet of small, electric-powered airplanes. These are not the large jets we are accustomed to seeing. Instead, think of smaller aircraft, perhaps seating between 9 and 19 passengers, designed specifically for short-haul flights. The technology for electric aviation has been advancing rapidly in recent years. These aircraft use powerful electric motors instead of traditional combustion engines. This means they are incredibly quiet, produce zero in-flight emissions, and have far lower maintenance costs, making them perfect for this kind of high-frequency regional network. The core technology is the electric propulsion system. This consists of high-density battery packs, sophisticated power management systems, and highly efficient electric motors that turn the propellers. For Dominica's plan, the electricity used to charge these batteries will come directly from the new geothermal power plants. This creates a completely green transportation cycle. The Earth's heat generates the electricity powers the planes, and the planes fly with no carbon footprint. This is a true well-to-wing sustainable solution, a concept that many larger nations are still only dreaming of. It puts Dominica at the forefront of green aviation. One of the key advantages of these electric aircraft is their ability to operate from shorter runways. Known as eSTOL, or electric short takeoff and landing aircraft, they are designed to take off and land in much smaller spaces than conventional planes. This is a crucial feature for a mountainous island like Dominica, where finding large, flat areas for long runways is nearly impossible. The ability to use short runways means that the aerodromes can be built closer to the communities they are meant to serve, minimizing the environmental impact and land use required for their construction. The fleet will be managed through a centralized command center, which will coordinate flight schedules, monitor aircraft maintenance, and manage passenger and cargo logistics. This system will use modern technology to optimize routes and ensure the highest levels of safety and efficiency. Flights could be booked easily through a simple mobile app, making travel seamless for residents and tourists alike. The introduction of these electric wings will not just replace old modes of transport. It will introduce a new era of quiet, clean, and convenient mobility, allowing people to soar over the beautiful nature isle without harming it. The real genius isn't just in the planes or power, but in the network's design, a web connecting even the most remote parts of Dominica. Carefully chosen aerodromes will link the capital, villages, and tourism centers, redefining distance and opportunity. This green air bridge will connect Dominica regionally, making it a resilient, eco-friendly hub for the Caribbean. Dominica's old roads wind through steep mountains, making travel slow and unpredictable. The new flight network changes everything, connecting the island in straight lines, bypassing every obstacle. Fresh produce arrives faster, communities unite, and opportunity reaches every corner. It's not just faster, it's a revolution for all Dominicans. The true cost of travel in Dominica goes far beyond ticket prices. Maintaining mountain roads is a constant, expensive battle, with millions spent yearly on repairs and imported fuel. In contrast, a geothermal-powered flight network uses local, renewable energy, offering lower, more stable costs and making travel more affordable for everyone. Dominica's traditional transport system burdens the nature isle with pollution and deforestation. The new geothermal-powered flight network eliminates carbon emissions, powered by 100% renewable energy. Quiet electric flights preserve the island's tranquility and protect its rainforests. This is true sustainable development, serving people while safeguarding Dominica's natural beauty for generations. Dominica's new electric flight network brings speed and sustainability, connecting the island like never before. Travel that once took all day is now a quick, easy journey, powered by clean geothermal energy. These quiet, zero-emission planes protect Dominica's nature, reduce pollution, and preserve its unique biodiversity. It's a bold vision, a greener, faster, and more connected nation for all. For Dominica, resilience isn't a choice, it's survival. Hurricanes like Maria exposed the island's vulnerability, cutting off communities and delaying aid. The geothermal flight network is designed as Dominica's disaster lifeline. Built to withstand Category 5 hurricanes, its underground geothermal power keeps it running when other systems fail. Even after a storm, the network can be operational within hours, not days. Electric aircraft can assess damage, deliver aid, and transport responders to isolated areas. This rapid response saves lives and accelerates recovery. No village is left waiting for roads to clear. Help arrives by air. The network rebuilds not just infrastructure, but hope. It's resilience, engineered for the people and their future. The geothermal flight network isn't just about transport. It's a catalyst for economic transformation. It creates high-tech jobs, from engineers to pilots, building a modern workforce. Farmers can quickly move fresh produce, boosting profits and reducing waste. Tourists gain access to every corner of the island, spreading economic benefits. Dominica becomes a hub for green innovation, exporting expertise in geothermal and electric aviation. This shift diversifies the economy beyond agriculture and tourism. The project signals confidence, attracting entrepreneurs and investors. It's about more than numbers. It's about optimism and opportunity. Dominica's future is dynamic, diversified, and resilient. The network powers a new era of prosperity for all. Ambition brings challenges, technical, financial, and logistical. The upfront investment is huge, requiring creative funding and a long-term vision. Electric aviation is new. Dominica becomes a pioneer, facing questions of safety and reliability. Geothermal drilling carries geological risks, demanding world-class expertise and strict safeguards. Environmental protection is non-negotiable. Coordinating construction across tough terrain adds complexity. Delays in one area can ripple through the project. Success depends on meticulous planning and transparent management. Turning obstacles into milestones is the only way forward. Dominica's resolve will be tested and proven. Big change sparks big questions. Will flights be affordable for everyone, or just a luxury? What happens to jobs tied to the old transport system? Retraining and support are essential for those affected. Some fear the project could alter Dominica's natural beauty or overwhelm remote areas. Open dialogue and careful design must address these worries. Change can feel like a loss of identity. Roads are part of the culture. The project must be a shared journey, not an imposed solution. Listening and involving communities is key. Only together can Dominica shape a future that honors its past. Dominica stands ready for transformation. The geothermal flight network is more than infrastructure. It's a bold leap toward security and innovation. Imagine a nation where every community is connected, every child has opportunity, and disaster response is swift. This vision weaves Dominica closer, fostering unity and pride. Harnessing local resources brings true independence from global uncertainties. The project is a pledge-fulfilled climate resilience, economic stability, and social equity. Dominica turns its volcanic challenge into its greatest asset. The future is powered by the earth, connected by the sky. Progress replaces fear. Opportunity replaces isolation. Dominica's vision reaches beyond its shores. It offers a blueprint for other islands and remote regions facing similar challenges. The project redefines infrastructure, green, decentralized, and in harmony with nature. It proves small nations can lead in innovation and sustainability. Dominica's well-to-wing green energy sets a new global standard. The world is watching, ready to learn from both triumphs and setbacks. True leadership is vision and courage, not just size. Dominica's leap is a gift of hope and a roadmap for others. A small island, a big idea, impacting the world. The journey ahead for Dominica will undoubtedly be challenging. Navigating the financial hurdles, pioneering new technology, and winning the hearts and minds of the public will require unwavering resolve and meticulous execution. The path from a bold blueprint to a functioning reality is never a straight line. There will be setbacks, criticisms, and moments of doubt. However, the driving force behind this project, the fundamental need for a safer, more connected, and self-sufficient future, is a powerful and enduring motivation. The spirit of resilience that has seen Dominica through countless storms is the same spirit that now fuels this ambitious flight into tomorrow. This is more than a story about technology. It is a story about human aspiration. It's about a nation choosing to define its own destiny rather than being defined by its limitations. It is a testament to the power of creative thinking when faced with immense pressure. The geothermal flight network is the physical embodiment of a new national consciousness, one that is forward-looking, innovative, and deeply connected to the natural world. It represents a promise made to the next generation of Dominicans. A promise of opportunity, security, and a home that is both modern and in harmony with its cherished environment. As the first electric aircraft takes flight, powered by the very heart of the island, it will carry more than just passengers and cargo. It will carry the hopes and dreams of a nation. Each quiet, emission-free journey across the island's majestic landscape will be a victory for sustainability, a step towards greater equity, and a symbol of resilience made real. This network will not erase the challenges of the past, but it will build a powerful new tool to overcome them, creating a legacy of innovation that will be a source of pride for generations to come. In the grand narrative of the 21st century, Dominica's story will be one of courage and foresight. It's the story of a small island that dared to look at its volcanic mountains not as obstacles, but as a source of power. It's the story of a people who chose to rise above their challenges, literally and figuratively, to build a better world. The world is watching as Dominica prepares for takeoff. This is not just a plan for new transportation, it is a flight into a brighter, greener, and more resilient tomorrow. Not just for Dominica, but for all of us.